Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a deep clean of my bathroom as well as some other chores around the house. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it gives you lots of cleaning motivation. So I just started off my day by just starting a load of laundry, and I was using the Scentsy washer whips. They make my laundry smell amazing. I'll link that below. And I decided I needed to clean my bath, but before I did that, I wanted to give my dog a bath because he needed one, and I didn't want to clean my bathtub and then have to clean it again later after I give him a bath. So I go ahead and do that first. He is such a good boy. He loves taking baths, and he loves getting blow dried. He's just, you guys will see, he's just so good for me. But in the video, it looks like I'm being really rough with them, I think, but it's just because it's sped up. But I noticed he looked like he had some bites on his back. So you'll see me several times kind of looking at it, and I don't know, they kind of look like a spider bite or something. So I just cleaned him really good and put some medicine on it, and hopefully we can get those healed up really quick. So you can see right here, I was just checking those bites really quickly. We did end up putting medicine on them, but this part right here cracks me up because he goes from being wet and then he just starts getting fluffier and fluffier as the time lapse goes on. But he hates getting his head and his ears blow dried. I do not know why. He's really, really good for me. He just sits there for me, but he just hates it so much. You can see him like not wanting it done to his face and his ears. So I don't know about you guys, but I really love to clean to music. It just kind of gets my mind off of what I'm doing. And so you can see there I was just putting on Pandora. Let me know down in the comment section below, what is your favorite station to listen to when you're cleaning? I would love some of your suggestions. I would love to go and check out some of your favorite stations. It's kind of embarrassing how much of a nightmare my bathroom is. You can just see my makeup is everywhere. Everything is just everywhere. And I am usually pretty good about keeping my bathroom decently clean and organized, but sometimes I just let it get to a point and then I'm like, I can't take this anymore. I have got to clean it. So I really did a super like deep clean on my bathroom today, and it just makes me feel so much better now that it's all done and it's just clean. I can rest so much better and everything with like a clean bathroom. So I'm just using my Dyson vacuum as the hand tool. I love my Dyson vacuum. You guys that have been with my channel know how much I talk about it, how much I love it, but it's absolutely amazing. Obviously, I have long hair, and so when I brush my hair, it kind of goes everywhere. And is there anything worse than when you're cleaning and you get like hair and stuff when you're wiping down your counters? I hate that. So I went ahead and I vacuumed first. All of my cleaner that I'm using in this video came from Grove Collaborative. And if you guys don't know what Grove Collaborative is, I always say that it's like the Amazon Prime of cleaning and natural products. So you do pay that one-time fee. It's actually only $20 for an entire year, and you get free shipping every month. It's pretty amazing. I'm in love with it. If you don't know what it is, go and check out my link below, and I'm sure you'll love it too. I would definitely not recommend anything unless I absolutely loved it, and I absolutely love it. So that spray that I used to clean down my countertop was the pumpkin scent in the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I'm gonna be really honest, I'm not a huge fan of the pumpkin scent. Since I have it, I'm gonna go ahead and use it, but I don't know. Again, honesty, I kind of feel like I didn't get a clean feeling left with it. Like the smell of it just, I don't know, it's just not a clean smell. So it was very pumpkin-y. It kind of smelled like a bad pumpkin candle. And what I mean by bad pumpkin candle is almost like maybe a cheap pumpkin candle, but yeah, I would skip it, and I would probably recommend the apple cider or the, what is it called? Spiced acorn, I believe. But I would recommend those two fall scents over the pumpkin scent, just in my personal opinion. The glass cleaner that I'm using is the Method glass cleaner, and I want to say it's in waterfall scent, and it did smell really, really good. You guys do not think I'm an overachiever. I have never vacuumed these since we moved in several years ago, and they were super, super dusty. So again, I just used my attachment on my Dyson that's got the little brush on the end, and I just started vacuuming my lights, and obviously I need to change one of my light bulbs out, but I just cleaned those and I wiped them down, and that really made me feel like my bathroom was a lot cleaner also.
Stop for us. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the
I really try my hardest to keep all of my bathtub supplies in that little bucket that you saw that said bath, but after time I start bringing more and more products into the bathtub and it gets pretty out of hand, like you can see there. Here I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's shower and tile spray. I like this a lot. I have it in the lavender scent and it just smells really, really good. I love cleaning my bathtub with it, and of course my tile around the shower and stuff as well. I do have, I don't know exactly what it's called. It's like a marble, or I don't know exactly what the material is, but you can see it's around my bathtub there, and I love it because I can just wipe it down and I can like use the water everywhere and it doesn't damage everything, and I can just really thoroughly get stuff clean.
You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align. Changing in the sky, it gets a little lighter over time. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align. Standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night. I will be.
So the cleaner that I'm using for my toilet here is the Mrs. Meyer's toilet bowl cleaner, and then again I'm using that same spray I used in my bathtub. Both of them are in the lavender scent. Obviously I really love that lavender scent. I would highly recommend it, but I really love this toilet bowl cleaner. It works really well and it just leaves everything smelling so clean. So again, I would really highly recommend the Mrs. Meyer's line, and of course lavender is my favorite.
When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost died, but I keep turning back.
And the last thing I'm doing in my bathroom is just wiping down my shower with it's actually the glass cleaner, and again, it's in that waterfall. It just smells really good. I would recommend this. So this is actually the next day. I don't know about you guys, but folding laundry is one of my most hated chores in the household. I cannot stand it. I really hate it. I hate that, and I hate unloading the dishwasher. You guys let me know in the comment section below, what household chore do you hate the most? You don't like doing it. Even it's not that hard to fold laundry, but I don't know. I do not like it. I can't stand it, but it has to be done. So let me know down in the comment section, what is your most hated household chore? And the last thing I do on this day is move into the bedroom, and the bedroom really was not that dirty, but it just needed to be picked up. My bed obviously needed to be made. I had just bought a new comforter set, so I put that on today. I was kind of bummed out because you'll see me take the shams out, and the shams are a lot bigger than the pillows that I currently have, so I wasn't able to put all of my pillows on my bed today. But definitely stick around in future videos and I can show you guys how my bed will look once I do have those. But yeah, you can see the old pillows I had are sitting there on the floor. They just were not big enough for the shams of this set that I bought. But I really love this comforter. It's white and they're kind of like metallic stripes on them in silver. And I just think it goes really well with my curtains you can see over there. But I love the look of white in the bedroom. It just brightens it up and just makes it really inviting and cozy. So I was so excited to get this new comforter. Now that it's starting to turn fall, it is going to get very cold where we live. So you could see beforehand we just had a light like Sherpa blanket on our bed. So it's definitely time for me to put a comforter on the bed. It was a little bit hot last night because we're still in some hot weather. But I know when it gets to be fall, we're gonna love it.
I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs. Life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for some.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video and I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation, or hopefully you cleaned along with me. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so please hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit it twice. That way you're notified when I upload new videos. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!